Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to apply for a student loan on Twoguysfinance. Alright, it's gonna be a really quick video. We're not gonna waste much time, just gonna give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now the first thing you're gonna need to do is go to Twoguysfinance's website, and once you're there, you're gonna click on student loans. And next, you're going to need to review the different student loan option and choose the one that best suits your needs. And once you find it, just click apply now, and you're going to need to fill out the online application form. Now on that form, you're going to provide required documentations. Part of that is the proof of enrollment, as well as income documentations. But once you've provided all of that, you can review and agree to the student loan terms and conditions. Now after you receive a student loan decision, and if it's approved, you want to go ahead and review and sign the loan documents. And once that's done, you're going to receive the funds in your accounts. Now you can use Twoguysfinance's online banking platform or mobile app to manage your student loan payments. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to apply for a student loan on Twoguysfinance. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next